title it when your husband is your apple care.
Family apple care.
Should I throw the 2 screws that were loose just in there?
I don't know. It's your decision.
If I do, then I can sooner repair it again.
If you like to waste another hour for that or more.
It's not wise. It's pleasure. Other people buy expensive Lego. I make money repairing iPhones. It's much better than spending money on Lego. Don't over tighten the screws or your home button will not work. So, then where did the next ones go? I guess we could test the question if this did not come. So this will not be watertight. It didn't came with okay, here's some, what is this hanging? Here's something hanging. This is also from the previous repair. Here's this. Where's this from?
No idea.
So here's some old glue. Okay, it's probably from the old glue. I don't have new glue. This didn't come with glue. Oh, did it? This is